Hello everyone and welcome to our video on the history of trains. Trains have played a significant role in shaping the world we live in today. From the Industrial Revolution to modern-day transportation, the evolution of trains has been an incredible journey. So, let's get started and explore the fascinating history of trains. The history of trains dates back to the early 19th century when the first steam locomotive was built. In 1804, Richard Trevithick designed and built the first steam engine, which was used for industrial purposes, specifically in the coal mines of Wales. The engine was designed to be compact and powerful enough to pull coal wagons from the mines to the nearby ports. The first steam engine locomotive was a revolutionary invention because it eliminated the need for horses or manpower to pull the coal wagons. The steam engine locomotive consisted of a steam boiler, a cylinder, and a piston. The steam produced by the boiler was fed into the cylinder, which in turn moved the piston back and forth, creating mechanical energy that could be used to power the locomotive's wheels. In 1825, George Stephenson built the first public railway line between Stockton and Darlington in the UK. The railway line was designed to transport coal from the mines to the nearby port of Stockton, a distance of around 25 kilometers. The rails were made of wrought iron, which was stronger and more durable than previous rail materials. The steam locomotives used to pull the coal wagons were also more powerful than previous models, allowing for heavier loads to be transported more quickly and efficiently. The railway line was opened to the public on September 27, 1825, and was an immediate success. The steam locomotive, known as Locomotion No. 1, pulled 38 wagons of coal and more than 450 passengers on its inaugural journey. The journey took around 2 hours and covered a distance of 13 miles. The success of the Stockton and Darlington railway line paved the way for the development of public railway systems in the UK and around the world. The railway line proved that steam locomotives were a practical and efficient means of transportation and spurred the development of more advanced steam engines and locomotives. George Stephenson followed this by the famous Liverpool to Manchester line in 1830, which was the first intercity railway in the world. The railway line was designed to transport goods and people between the two cities, which were major centers of industry and commerce in the 19th century. The railway line was designed with several innovations that made it faster and more efficient than previous railway lines. One of the key innovations was the use of steam locomotives that could travel at higher speeds than previous models. The steam locomotives used on the Liverpool and Manchester Railway were capable of speeds up to 30 miles per hour, allowing for faster transportation of goods and people. Another innovation was the use of a signaling system that allowed trains to communicate with each other and with the railway station. This signaling system made it safer for trains to travel at high speeds and helped to prevent accidents. In the mid-19th century, the United States embarked on an ambitious project to build a transcontinental railroad. The construction of the railroad was a major engineering feat that required the labor of thousands of workers. The railroad was completed in 1869, connecting the East Coast and the West Coast of the United States for the first time. Fast forward to the 20th century, and trains have continued to evolve with the introduction of electric trains, diesel locomotives, and modern high-speed trains. In 1964, Japan introduced the first high-speed train, known as the Shinkansen, which revolutionized train travel with speeds of up to 200 km/h. Today, countries around the world have their own high-speed train systems, with trains that can travel at speeds of up to 300 km/h. The latest innovation in train technology is the maglev train, which uses magnetic levitation to eliminate friction between the train and the tracks. The maglev train has set speed records of up to 600 km/h and is currently in operation in China and Japan. Looking to the future, trains are set to become even more advanced with the development of new technologies such as Hyperloop, a high-speed transportation system that uses a tube to transport passengers at speeds of up to 1,200 km/h. There are also plans for trains that run on renewable energy sources such as solar power. And there you have it, a brief overview of the fascinating history of trains. From the steam locomotives of the 19th century to the high-speed trains of today and the trains of the future, trains have played a vital role in shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos.